Have you ever stared at your to-do list and instantly decided, yeah, I'm absolutely not doing that? Relax, you're not lazy. That's just your cat brain trying to survive another day without effort. Meet the cat brain. Inside your head, you've got a smart brain and a cat brain. The smart brain plans your future. The cat brain, it only cares about right now. Deadlines, that's future-use tragedy. Right now, the cat wants dopamine, fish, snacks, TikTok, anything that gives instant joy. Why does the cat take over? Because every time you face something hard, your brain whispers, ugh, too scary, too stressful. Let's just scroll like a useless gremlin. It's not laziness, it's avoidance. The cat avoids anything painful and chases quick rewards, especially fish. But then, the deadline arrives, and suddenly the panic monster appears out of nowhere. The cat brain immediately runs for its life. Smart brain steps in like, fine, I'll do it myself. And somehow, you write 2,000 words in 2 hours stress? Absolutely. Finished? Also yes. So how do you stop procrastinating? 1. Make tasks tiny. Don't say finish the whole essay. Say write for 15 minutes. 2. Reward progress. Get something done? Great. Time for a fish reward. 3. Trick the cat. Say, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. By the time the cat brain notices, you're already halfway done. The cat brain isn't your enemy. You just have to learn how to lead it, preferably with snacks. The cat says thanks. If you liked this, toss him a subscribe. It keeps the fish supply flowing.